Which Azure service is primarily used to manage users and groups? A. Azure Active Directory. B. Azure Key Vault. C. Azure Monitor. D. Azure DevOps. La respuesta correcta es A. Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is the primary service used to manage users and groups in Azure. It provides identity and access management capabilities. What is the purpose of an Azure AD group? A. To manage virtual machines. B. To organize resources in a subscription. C. To assign permissions to multiple users at once. D. To monitor application performance. La respuesta correcta es C. To assign permissions to multiple users at once. An Azure AD group is used to assign permissions to multiple users at once, simplifying the management of access to resources. Which role is required to create a new user in Azure AD? A. Global Administrator. B. User Administrator. C. Billing Administrator. D. Security Administrator. La respuesta correcta es B. User Administrator. The User Administrator role in Azure AD has the necessary permissions to create and manage users. How can you add a user to a group in Azure AD? Azure CLI. B. Using Azure Portal. C. Using PowerShell. D. All of the above. La respuesta correcta es D. All of the above. You can add a user to a group in Azure AD using various methods, including Azure CLI, Azure Portal, and PowerShell. What is the default domain name provided by Azure AD for a new tenant? DawnMicrosoft.com. B. Azure.com. C. TenantCloudApp.net. AzureWebsites.net. La respuesta correcta es A. TenantMicrosoft.com. The default domain name provided by Azure AD for a new tenant is tenantname.onmicrosoft.com. Which of the following is not a type of group available in Azure AD? A. Security group. B. Office 365 group. C. Distribution group. D. Resource group. La respuesta correcta es D. Resource group. Resource group is not a type of group in Azure AD. Azure AD supports security groups, Office 365 groups, and distribution groups.